Drew Paris.
It has been always our pleasure and honor to be hosting this prestigious Pahiyas Festival 2024. I am Taurus.
My name is Marvin.
Good night, everyone. Please be safe.
Okay, since nandito na po ang existing officers to assist us, we're giving the certificate of appreciation to our VIPs and judges.
Quezonian Association of Macau, in coordination with the different community in Macau, headed by the tenacious multimedia influencers, TMI, Certificate of Appreciation is hereby proud to present to Honorable Consul General Porfirio M. Mayo Jr. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you.
Also present, the certificate of appreciation is given to Miss Marisa M. Habinar.
Another certificate of appreciation is being awarded to Mrs. Lilia Garcia Pereira Monteiro.
Appreciating your presence and support is hereby awarded to Ms. Maria Carmelita Faustino Martins.